Welcome to morning meeting. We're going to start with the calendar.
Yippee! It's June 2020. Let's make a calendar.
Let's say the days of the week together. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day of the week is it today? It's glowing for us, but let's start at the beginning. Sunday, then Monday.
Good job. Today is
Monday,
June
8th, 2020. Fill in the missing day and date. Sunday, then Monday.
Monday.
Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 comes next.
Great job.
Okay. We have Anthony's birthday on Saturday this week and Brandon's birthday on the 20th, on the first day of summer. It's really nice outside, so let's choose a background that shows that. Okay. I'm looking outside for the weather, and it is sunny. There are no clouds in the sky by my house. Is it this nice at your house? Okay. I'm going to say good morning to you, and I want you to answer, good morning, Miss Megan. Ready? Good morning. Our question today is, how old are you? How old are you? So you say, I am 12, I am 13, I am 14, or I am 15. Say it in a sentence. How old are you? Okay, now you're going to say good morning to someone nearby you. Maybe your sister's helping you. Now you're going to ask them the question, how old are you? Ready? How old are you? Emily and Felicity have, if they ask their brothers, they'll say the same age since they're both twins. Okay, let's talk about how we're feeling today. I feel happy today because I got a lot done at my house over the weekend. How do you feel? Say in a sentence, I feel excited, happy, angry, bored, confused, calm, frustrated, silly, nervous, or sad. How do you feel today? Okay, so here, first we're going to start our daily journal. You'll see what that's about in a second. We're definitely studying space this week. So our Nearpod code for today is PFZKL. Again, PFZKL is the code. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app and enter it in order to do our daily journal. My computer is being very slow today. So I'm entering my code, PFZKL, in order to join. And we always enter our names so that I get to see all of the hard work you do when I go and look on the computer. Now, the first thing that we enter when we're doing our journal is our name again, but this time I want you to write your first name and your last name. They both have a capital and there's a space in the middle. So I wrote my first and last name. Can you write your first and last name? When you're done, hit submit. Okay, so I made a new question this week. We answered a lot of questions during this virtual learning about ourselves. But now we're going to focus on what number you need to call if there's ever an emergency. An emergency is if there's a fire or if someone gets very, very hurt, okay? So you might need to call 911 if there's an emergency. So if there's an emergency, you don't call your school, you don't call your parents, you pick up the phone and you call 911. And that's if there's an emergency. So that's why we were practicing where we live. You need to be able to tell a police officer or a fireman where you live if you need help. So they need to be able to share, you need to be able to share your address. So what number do you call if there's an emergency? 911. Can you say that before you click it? 911. And that's if there's a big emergency. If you fall and get a cut, that's not a big emergency. Your mom and dad can help you with that. But if there's a big fire, that's an emergency. Okay. I'm pulling our calendar over. Today is, let's look at the calendar. We need to find the purple star. Here it is. Now I'm going all the way up.
Monday.
It's Monday today. Today is Monday. Okay, the date today is June what? So again, we're finding our purple star. Here it is. And the purple star has
8.
an 8 in the box with it. So today is June 8th. All you need to do is type the number 8 there. Okay, are you in a good mood today? Here's our checking in question. Yes, I'm in a good mood, or no, I'm not in a good mood. I'm in a good mood today. I hope you are too. Are you in a good mood today? You're saying yes or no. Then hit submit. So we're going to write about what we're happy about. What am I happy about today? I did so much cleaning over the weekend. I cleaned out that closet behind me. I'm almost done. That I have a lot of garbage and a lot of things to donate. So I'm really glad. It's kind of funny, but I'm glad today is garbage day. I'm happy about garbage day at my house being today, that the garbage men come and help me keep everything nice and clean, because now I feel like things are nice and clean and it's a good feeling. So I'm happy about garbage day. That's a funny one. So write about what you see in the picture from the video. That means we need to watch the video first. So since we're reading about space this week, I'm looking for fun videos of things happening in space. So we already learned in our video for ELA that for space, there's not gravity, so people and things can float. So we saw when Leland was trying to eat stuff and the other astronauts, it would float in the air. So one of them was trying to eat an orange and they're hitting it into their mouth and it would float. Okay? So there's no gravity, so they release a bubble of water in space and they stick a camera in it. It's just so funny. I would have never thought of this.
NASA is sharing this video of 3 astronauts playing with this floating softball-sized water bubble. They were on the International Space Station. They put a GoPro inside, and they made this kind of orbiting bubble cam, as you can see.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, they made the video over the summer. They were kind of doing some experimentation with water surface tension and microgravity. Good scientists, right?
Love it.
That is cool. And they posted it on YouTube, and now everyone's seeing it.
Very cool. So they're playing in space with this water bubble. Oh, that's not the right one. All right, let's write about what we see. I see an astronaut. Even though he's not in his helmet, he's not in his suit, he's just living his life in the space station. He needs to put on a suit if he's going to go outside the space station. So I see an astronaut, and he has a big bubble of water. He has a bubble, and the bubble is made out of water. Now, if I take my cup, I'm not going to do it. I have a little bit of iced tea left, and I just tilt it over. My bubble's not going, of iced tea won't float. My iced tea will fall to the ground because we have gravity. But there's no gravity, so the water floats. Now, in order to perform an experiment, they stick a GoPro, which is a type of video camera, inside. So they put a video camera inside the bubble. But it really looks like the astronauts are having fun. Okay? So, write about what you see in the picture from the video. I see an astronaut playing with a floating water bubble. That is a very long sentence, so I doubt you're going to want to borrow mine if you can't think of one. I see a water bubble floating. I see an astronaut. I see water. There's lots of different things that you can say. Okay, so I started with a capital and I ended with a period. And that's all I saw for the video. So let's tune in tomorrow for another video about something cool from outer space. Great job.